Hey, everybody, over at the Q. What happened? My earpiece. We got a situation here. Okay, there we go. Much better. Over at the Q, getting ready for a big In the Kitchen with David. Headed back there now. Football is my favorite season. We got a little tailgate situation going on. We've been celebrating Temp-tations days. What is today, by the way? Is today the 10th? We have 10 more days. 10 more full days of Temp-tations days to celebrate, which is so awesome. And you know, we're ending and wrapping up with our today's special value, which we could not be more excited about. Which we could not be more excited about. We have two awesome items in David's show. Both are clearance, which is fantastic. I think both are clearance. One for sure is clearance, and those are our charcuterie plates with the spreaders. They're under 20 bucks, you guys. Like in gift boxes, 3 great gifts. Like, who doesn't need an 8-inch plate with a spreader? Like charcuterie boards, layered in with your dinnerware, whatever you want to do. Today is the day to grab it, because I'm wondering if it's still over here. Walk with me. Oh, hi everybody. Wait, I gotta say hi. Jen Botts is here, Bobby's here, Sharon's here, Kathy's here, Kim's here, Owen's here. Everybody's jumping on. Hey Megan, good to see you over at the Q. Gonna check over here and see if our tables are still here. Yes, they are. So I came and gave a little quick sneak peek earlier. And just wanted to show you guys what we have coming up in the show. My Ching is here, Bobby's here, Cindy's here, which is awesome. Colleen's checking in and saying hi. All right, so like I said, we have 2 great items in the show. I already came back and snooped at these before, so look how cute. We did a little just bagels, and then this is what I love, doing like 3 individual charcuterie boards. Maybe you don't want your fruit mixing, and you don't want your cheese mixing, and you don't want your meat mixing. Now you have 3 ways to separate these. You guys, these are under $20. Like, tuck it away in your gift closet. This makes such an amazing gift. Today is your day to grab it. We will not do these again. And then, of course, I love the idea of having all of our little, like, hot hors d'oeuvres. You can do cold hors d'oeuvres in here. Like I said, you can layer this in with your dinnerware. So super duper fun. So you're definitely going to want, oh, Edward Tesher. Hold on. He just said, there's my beautiful wife. Hey, Ed, everybody loves the t-shirt that we got. So football is my favorite season. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this hair, but I'm going to ignore it for right now. Okay. All right. Yep. Helen's saying she wants a 6-piece dinnerware set. Those were great neighbors gifts last year. Oh, that's a great idea. Neighbors gifts. Great idea. Megan saying hi to you, Ed. Okay. Then we also have our stackables, you guys. These are under $24, less than $6 a piece for our beautiful stackables that are 22 ounces in total capacity, vertical storage. So when we're talking game day, when we're talking chili, when we're talking individual desserts, individual soups and things like that, how awesome is this? I love this piece. And like a day in the life of our breakfast bowls, our soup bowls. You can do cold cereals. You can do hot cereals. I love this. Who doesn't love a tater tot with bacon? What? Does it keep getting better? Look, we also, of course, did a beautiful, what do you call it? Think of the word, Tara. Yogurt parfait. Hey, it's my first day, so I'm really nervous. All kidding aside, so we have 2 great items in the show, which we're really excited about. Those plates, and I love what our friend in San Diego was just saying about, see what I did there? About how great these are for neighbors gifts. So I'd love to be your neighbor in San Diego if we could figure that out and work that out. Okay, Linda? Okay, perfect. All right, you guys. So, oh my goodness, all the food looks amazing, right? So excited. So I will be on with David in about 15 minutes or so with our first item, which are going to be our plates. So run, don't walk on those, because that's amazing. I know 10 more days and then Temp-tations. Well, here's the great part. Every day is a Temp-tations day. We just take 30 of them and like dedicate it to all of that. But we still have a ton of new coming in. We're still going to have our shows and cook events and all of that great entertaining events and all of that great stuff. So you're definitely going to want to keep following along with us for the rest of the year. But yes, Temp-tations days is coming to an end, but it's coming to an end with our today's special value. So Boom. All right, you guys, thanks for jumping on. So good to see everybody. I'm trying to think, is there any other updates that I need to give you? We'll be back on Wednesday, which is exciting. Then the following weekend, big, the 16th and 17th, big weekend. Stay tuned for that. And then we're going to roll right into our Big Today's Special Value, where you guys, we have 7 hours of programming just dedicated to Temp-tations. So 3 2-hour shows. That's very hard to do, by the way. 3 2-hour shows and 1 kickoff at midnight with David Venable, which is going to be exciting. So can't wait. Final countdown. We are coming around the bend, and so much exciting still to share with you guys in the next 10 days. All right, so don't miss these, because these are going away and then we won't do them again. So definitely want to check those out. Thank you guys for jumping on. It's always great to see you. And as we get closer to today's special value, we'll keep you guys posted on exactly what's going on. So definitely make sure you're checking in with us. And yeah, football is my favorite season. And I taught Ed how to use the YouTube TV because he had to download the NFL package. So we had a quick little lesson in that this morning. So good luck, honey, if you're still on this live and you're still watching, making sure that you can get on your football. All right, Jen, you have a blessed day. Oh, Elizabeth's checking in. Oh, Elizabeth Cobbs, how are you? Checking in from Ohio. Jessica's here. I just want to say hi to everybody. Kevin's here. Love. Jan's here. Sharon's here. The whole gang is here. Tink's here. Love. All right, you guys, let me get ready and get going because I'm getting the stink eye. So I will see you guys in just a little bit. Okay, bye.